Hi, I'm Hillary Shine with Good News, Killeen. We're all over town in this episode. See what's happening with roads, neighborhoods, parks, and more. We've got great news on roads. When the rains finally cleared, we were able to get moving on about $5 million worth of road repairs. Work is specific to the damage caused by the February freeze, and we're removing inches of road surface, then replacing it with new asphalt. So far, we've completed W.S. Young from Stanch-Leader Loop to Stagecoach, Gateway Drive, and Levy Lane. Tremere from Elms to Stanch-Leader is wrapping up now, and 38th Street from Rancier to Lake Road is underway. Segments of Elms, Stagecoach, Florence, Chance, and 10th Street are also scheduled for repair over the next couple of months. We'll announce specific streets as work approaches. Thanks for your patience as we pave the way to a smoother future. Comprehensive plan walk shops are set, and we want you to walk the walk and talk the talk with us June 28th through 30th. 8 neighborhoods have been selected in different areas of town. A schedule is available on our Facebook page. All residents are welcome at all locations, but the focus of discussion will be on the specific area of the meeting. After a brief introduction with the planning team, groups will set out to walk to spots in the neighborhood based on your direction. Planners will be asking you to point out specific likes, dislikes, and ideas along the walk. Wear comfortable shoes, dress for the weather, and bring a bottle of water. If you can't make it but want to offer feedback, drop pins on the interactive map at KilleenTexas.gov/comp plan or call 501-6650 to leave your thoughts. Your input will shape our future. June's Mobile Rec Series event is Ultimate Frisbee at Condor Park, June 26 from 10 to noon. Kids ages 6 to 16 are invited to learn the basics of disc golf and to try a round. It's completely free and no registration is required. Movies in Your Park is back Friday, June 25th, but this time it's part of a night of fun. Join us from 6 to 9 at the Rosa Herford Community Center for a pop-up farmers market and to learn more about the park's master plan and share your thoughts. Then sit back and enjoy the feature presentation of A War with Grandpa, starring Robert De Niro as Grandpa Jack. When he moves into grandson Peter's room, the kid devises a plan to take it back. The showing starts at dusk and is free and fun for all ages. Bring a blanket or a chair and your own refreshments, just no glass containers or alcohol. You're invited to Love Your Park Day at Stewart Park July 10th. Volunteers are needed from 8 a.m. to noon to complete a one-day park improvement project. You'll be getting your hands dirty, planting trees, and installing a new crushed granite walking trail. Show the love and register to volunteer by July 1st online at KilleenTexas.gov/rec. Killeen Animal Shelter continues to be near capacity. While free adoptions have helped a lot of animals find homes, we're taking in almost as many as we're adopting out. Please help us save them and adopt. The shelter is open every day, or you can see all of our adoptables online anytime. We also need volunteers and foster families. See how you can help us help more pets at KilleenTexas.gov/animals. It's gotten really hot really fast, so it's a good time to refresh ourselves on how the summer heat takes its toll on our furry friends. Take these extra precautions to keep them safe and healthy. Provide plenty of shade and clean water to prevent heat stroke. Overexertion can also lead to heat stroke, so make sure your pets have a chance to rest and drink often. Excessive panting, discolored gums, and problems moving are all signs that you should seek immediate veterinary attention. Pet paws can get burned on asphalt and concrete, so try to keep paws on grass and off solid outdoor surfaces. And finally, clouds, shade, and cracked windows won't beat the Texas heat, so never, ever, ever leave your pet in the car. The city of Killeen welcomed its newest leader June 22nd. Michael Boyd took his seat as the District 4 representative. Following a tie in the May 1st election, a second election was held June 12th, and he was the victor. Congratulations, Councilman Boyd. We look forward to working with you. We also said goodbye to Councilman Steve Harris, who left his District 4 seat after 2 terms. Thank you for your service to our community, Councilman Harris. There's always more at KilleenTexas.gov, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and Spectrum Cable Channel 10. Thanks for making time for Good News, Killeen.